In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your GoHighLevel account login page 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to apply custom CSS so your login page matches your brand. Start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. At the top of the screen, click the dashboard name. This opens the account switcher so you can access higher level settings. We're heading to the area where global brand controls live, since the login page is managed at the agency level. Next, switch to Agency View. This is important because white label and branding options don't live inside a single location. They're controlled from the agency side. If you don't see the option, make sure your user has agency permissions or check with your account admin. Once you're in Agency View, open Settings. You'll find the gear icon in the main navigation. Think of this as the control center for company-wide preferences, integrations, and branding. Inside Settings, click Company. This section houses your agency details and broad configuration. We'll be using it to reach the white label tools that power your branded experience. Now select the White Label tab. White Label is where you connect your domain, set your logo and colors, and, most importantly for this tutorial, control how the login page looks with custom CSS. Remember, this is cosmetic control, perfect for adjusting layout, spacing, fonts, and colors to match your style guide. Scroll down until you see the Custom CSS area. This editor applies your CSS to the white-labeled surfaces, including the login page. A few tips before you paste anything. Keep your selectors specific so you don't unintentionally affect other pages. Target only the elements you mean to change. And avoid overly broad rules like styling all images or all paragraphs. CSS is powerful, so a small change can have a big impact. Paste your CSS into the editor. If you already have a style sheet, add it here. Consider adding brief comments to organize your rules, like sections for background, form fields, and buttons, so it's easy to maintain later. If you're experimenting, start simple, such as adjusting the background color, button radius, or logo size, then layer in more changes once you confirm the basics. Look right. Finally, click Save Changes. Your updates will publish across the white-labeled login experience. If you don't see the change immediately, give it a minute and refresh. Sometimes browser or CDN caching can delay the update. If something looks off, come back to the editor, refine or remove a rule, and save again. That's it. You navigated to Agency View, opened Settings, went into Company, selected White Label, added your custom CSS, and saved your changes. Keep your CSS organized and brand consistent, and your login page will look polished and professional.